Hello, my name is William Siegler, and what I do is teach math, among other things, to people who didn't get math as a kid. The people that grow up to teach it are the ones who tend to get it in school, and the rest of us were rather left behind. Many years later, I discovered a really great instructor who did a lot to help me out, turn me from being a math paranoid to being a math freak. I'm going to try to use a series of very short videos to pass along the lessons this fine gentleman taught to me. The first thing you should do is probably get rid of the pencil and paper and go get a deck of cards and learn to add numbers quickly as possible in your head. I learned that I didn't know how to do that in a blackjack table in Vegas, which is probably not the best place to learn that lesson. If we have a group of numbers and all we're doing is adding and subtracting, we will work from left to right, just the same exact way we read, from left to right. If we had a -1 in here, we would still work from left to right. If, however, we decide to throw in some multiplication, and I'm going to use this little dot instead of the big X. 2 times 3 plus 1. We'll do the multiplication first. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. In this case, we still work from left to right, but if it was 1 plus 2 times 3, sometimes it won't really matter. 1 plus 6, 2 times 3 is 6, is still 7. Sometimes, however, particularly if subtraction is involved, it will completely change how the equation works. This type of answer you'll get. As a student, I found that this was one of the common problems I was having. And there is a quick little way to remember it I'll talk to you about in a bit. So let's say we have this. We'll do the multiplication first. Always be very careful when you rewrite these things. And one way to know you're doing it right, it will get shorter and simpler. Then we will work left to right. Very simply work it like this. Another example. We still do the multiplication first. Now we work left to right. See how easy and straightforward that is? If division is involved, we'll do multiplication and division first before you do addition and subtraction. This is my first very short test video. I will conclude it now and see if we can get this uploaded, and there should be a whole group of these coming up afterward. Let me know if you like this approach, And like I said before, this is for people who are totally lost and don't get math at all. If you're well beyond this, there's a great many other videos you might find useful, but I'm going after the people who have really been lost and left out. Thank you much.